Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins, and I am a finance PhD. I taught at Syracuse University for 13 years, and I believe in the importance of making money because you need money to take care of your family. You need money to do the things you want to do in your life. And someone asked me a question, so I thought I would answer it. And they asked me, what are some easy ways to get started to make money? What are some side hustles you can start right now, even if you have a full-time job, that would help you supplement your income? Remember, a little bump in your income, maybe making an extra $500,000, $2,000 a month, can make the difference between a struggle and prosperity. It can make the difference between saving money and having nothing to save, right? So you could save your money from your side hustle and still build massive amounts of wealth over time by investing in the stock market, which we show you in the Black Business School. But having that side hustle, having those two streams of income just makes a huge difference in terms of making it easier for you to get things done. It's hard to get it all done with a job, especially if you're dealing with student loans. The first side hustle that's come up consistently that a lot of people are making tiny amounts of extra money on is just food delivery. You know, you can go to these places, Uber Eats, stuff like that, deliver food. It may be, I don't know if you see it as being beneath you or not, but it could be something you do with a little bit of extra time and just sort of just stack that money, right? Just if you don't need the money, then that becomes your bank account. That becomes your savings. That keeps you from having to save from your regular income. If you've got this extra money, food delivery is a big deal. Number two would be something like ride sharing, driving Uber, driving Lyft. I've seen a lot of people drive Uber and Lyft as a way to get off their job. Some people do it full time and do okay full time, but if it's not enough for you to make money full time, then maybe it's enough for a solid part time income, right? An extra $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month, just using that car that's sitting in the driveway anyway. And also they even make cars available for you. Another possibility is starting a blog or a YouTube channel. Now that's a little bit tougher. It's a little bit more long term because the ad process for a YouTube channel is something where you have to get over 1,000 subscribers to begin to receive ad revenue. But maybe if you have an expertise, if you have something that people need to know, or you're just interesting and entertaining and you enjoy things, like you enjoy talking about things, like if you enjoy hosting shows, like if you always want to be a radio show host or something like that, YouTube is a great place for you to get your practice until you reach the big time. When I started my YouTube channel, it wasn't making any money, but eventually it started making money because I was consistent with it, and I didn't just do it just for the money. I did it because I really had something to say. But then also, once you develop something like, say, which is number 4, which would be like, say, a Shopify store, you might have a product to sell. Then you can go to your YouTube channel and mention your product, and maybe you'll get a few sales every month that will supplement your income substantially. If you have people that you're giving value to and you're talking to them on a regular basis, then they'll consider buying your product. They may not buy everything, but they'll consider it. Next is a lot of people are tutoring now. They're doing a lot of online tutoring. There are companies like VIP Kid and I think it's VIPKid.com and GoGo Kid that are hiring teachers. They're hiring. So if you have a college degree, or even if you don't, I don't know. I think some of them require you to have a degree though, but it may not though. A lot of people are teaching kids in China. They're teaching English as a second language. That may be a good way to supplement your income. So you may want to look into that. And the last one, number 6, is what they call the gig economy. There are lots of people on Fiverr, Fiverr, and Upwork, who UPWORK, who are doing these extra little gigs and doing little things for people, and you set your price where you want, and you set it up nicely, and if you have a special skill, or maybe you can develop a skill, go to udemy.com or somewhere else and learn a skill that you can then resell that skill, right? That's what they call human capital. So you invest in yourself, and then others will invest in you. They will buy from you, but you got to invest in yourself at some point. So those are some ways to make extra money. These are side hustles that you can start pretty quickly. These are side hustles that don't require you to quit your main job. These are side hustles that are not necessarily always going to give you, $10,000 a month, but they might give you $1,000 a month or $2,000 a month, right? Excuse me. For a lot of people, $2,000 a month will pay your rent. It'll pay your car note. It'll pay a lot of your bills, so that maybe your paycheck becomes your play money, right? Or maybe your side hustle is your play money, or maybe you're just saving all your side hustle money so you can build up to where you can scale up your business, or maybe invest in the stock market and grow that into more money, right? That's what it is. It's a matter of simply freeing up resources so you can begin to bootstrap your way to wealth. That's what people do. That's how you get there. That's how it goes down. So anyway, if you'd like to learn more about the the stock market, for example, feel free. There's a free training that I offer on how to get started in the stock market. I can have you invested in with $10 in 10 minutes, and you don't have to give me the $10. You can give the $10 to yourself to the stock market. So go to firstshareofstock.com, and the training is free. That's firstshareofstock.com. I'm out of here, guys. I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins from the Black Business School. Please take care. Have a great day. And speaking of selling things on the internet, this t-shirt actually is a shirt you can buy at wokeblacktees.com. So that's an example. We have wokeblacktees.com where we sell t-shirts. So that's one example in real life of something that I do with my YouTube channel that allows me to, bring in some extra income to do different things that we're trying to do. Okay, guys. So that's it. I hope I answered that question well for you, and I wish you the best of luck. And please hit the thumbs up button before you go. I'll see you later. Take care. Bye-bye.